Good morning, welcome to the fifth episode of this series wherein I am showcasing all my original first print Bollywood records. Today in the Alphabet A series, I have picked up Aman, a movie that was made in 1967 and the lead actors were Rajendra Kumar and Saira Banu. Very few people would remember that it had a cameo appearance by the Nobel laureate Bertrand Russell as well. This movie also had Naseeruddin Shah, although in a very small role. The movie is remembered for its super songs and great music direction by Shankar Jaikishan. The lyrics were by Hasrat Jaipuri and Shailendra, and almost all the songs of this movie had made it on top of the charts. So let us take a look at the Aman record, which is now considered to be very rare. I think it did not have any repress, and hence the original Angel is very much in demand and much coveted. So here you go. This is the cover jacket of Aman. As you can see, the condition is pretty great, I would say. And interestingly, I bought this record from a collector in USSR. Look at the back side. The flip back is all in its place. The very rare 3AEX 5111. And this record, this Russian gentleman had bought from, you see, Mahajan Lal and Sons Fountain, Delhi. He took it to USSR, probably he played it maybe once or twice, and then it came back to me, back in India, back to the place from where it had originated. So very happy to own this record. Then let's take a look at this record itself. Here you go. 3AEX 5111, the ring, the large Angel logo, and the Matrix 2XJE 999 for this side and 2XJE 1000 for the other side. Time to discuss the tracks. Well, now let us talk about the track listings. The opening track of this record on side A is Aman Ka Farishta, sung by Mohammad Rafi and chorus. Now this is the song in the movie when the character played by Rajendra Kumar comes back from Japan. He is dead actually, and in that procession, this song plays in the background. Aman ka farishta kahan ja raha hai, chaman ro raha hai, machi hai duhai. Excellent song written by Hasrat Jaipuri. Then the second song is also a very nice song. It also became very popular in those days. Husn pari chehra. Lyrics Hasrat Jaipuri. But the song that took away the limelight for this movie was written by Shailendra and sung by Mohammad Rafi and Saira Banu. आज की रात ये कैसी रात कि हमको नींद नहीं आती, मेरी जाओ बैठो पास कि हमको नींद नहीं आती, आज की रात. That concludes the first part. On to the second side. The opening song of second side is by Lata Mangeshkar and one of my all-time favorites. The way she has sung, it's still unparalleled. Aisuru, 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 Mera Vatan Japan, Mera Vatan Japan, Kitna Haseen, Kitna hai Sundar, Mera Vatan Japan, Furusato Japan. This was something that only Lataji could sing. Then the second song is classical based, starts with the sitar, Saira Bano playing it for Rajendra Kumar in the movie. अपने पिया की जोगन बन के. It's all in all a good song. And the last song of this side is sung by Mohammad Rafi. This too also had become a big hit. Surahidar gardan koyal si hai awaaz. And in the background the cuckoos. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Very rare record. Very rare these days, and getting a copy in this brilliant condition is now next to impossible. I don't think they made too many copies. I'm just bragging. I know you have got it. And this is the time to go back and check out these songs either on YouTube or maybe my one earlier videos. And I'm sure you're going to like them. The excellent lyrics, the super orchestration, and timeless deliveries by the doyens of Hindi film music, Mohammad Rafi and Lata Mangeshkar. This was for today. I'll catch up you again in the 6th episode, and we'll be talking about another great soundtrack starting from there. Till then, take care and have a good day.